evil person! Evil! No! Not allowed! No! No! You'll forever be branded on YouTube as an evil person! No!
No money!
Damn you! Hello, this is Moobit, your friendly media manager from GamerDance.co.uk, Moobitmedia, and all that other lovely stuff. We are here on Storm Surge, I think it's called, at Thorpe Park, which is kind of a twisty kind of tyre thing, and Cheeky Parrot's here. No, yeah, and we've got JDP here, we've got someone I don't know. Hello, what's your name?
Jazz.
Hello, Jazz, and
Joy.
Hi, Joy. Right, so who's going to get wettest?
You.
Me, probably. The idiot with the camera's probably going to get wettest, which means that Cheeky Parrot will also get wet, so that's always good. Do! Lovely view of Heathrow and all the rides here. It's lovely. Oh, we're near the top. Here we go. Here we go. You do want to. You do. It's going to be great. We're going. Uh-oh. And we're going backwards. 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Woohoo! Yeehaw! Woohoo! Uh-oh, big drops! Wow! Wow! I got it all on my back!
I like to move it, move it.